Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This morning I sold, oh the kids want to say hi.
Hi. We are playing bikes today because it's a really nice day and we're gonna pick up something
Okay, we are continuing. So I sold the Ford Explorer. If you guys are following the channel, that I purchased on IAAI, the one that had issues that needed to get fixing. I made like $460 on that Ford, but I sold it this morning and I purchased a motorcycle. Also from IAAI, if you guys are seeing a pattern, I buy most of my things from insurance auto auctions. And I think I got the motorcycle for pretty darn cheap. It's a 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 900cc, and the winning bid was $750, I believe. After fees, I paid a little bit over $1,000. I believe the total was $1,008. It's a run and drive bike. From what I saw in the pictures, the left side foot peg is bent, so I'm not taking a trailer. I am going to risk it and see if I could ride the bike home. Since I don't do too many motorcycles, I probably will be doing more of them as the weather kind of gets a little bit better. But I'm taking my off-roading helmet with me because it's DOT approved. So I figured I'll take this one instead of one of the other ones that I have. Actually, I have a few helmets. But for a cruiser bike, this is the one that matches the best. It's kind of a neutral color. I got my GoPro mounted, got my jump box just in case I'll need a jump. I'm not bringing any oil, any coolant, because I am unfamiliar with motorcycles. So the plan with this is just go there. Hopefully it runs well enough to ride it home. I've done it before on other motorcycles, but the last two mopeds I bought were not in the condition to be ridden, so a motorcycle could be different, but we'll find out shortly. I will see you guys at the auction in 3, 2, 1, now. Got it. So now we wait. Been on the list, so hopefully it comes out quick. It looks like the motorcycle is inside the building because the gentleman he was looking at those motorcycles over here, and it's not one of mine, so he walked in there looking for it. Oh, there, nope, that's another gentleman. So I'm curious if they're gonna push it out or they're gonna strap it to a forklift. Kind of hoping they just push it out since it's not going on a trailer. Kind of no point of a forklift, but we'll see. Do you like going to the auction with Dad? Yeah? Noah, do you like going? Yeah? Okay. This cool lady, she likes going too. There it is, guys. You're a rock star.
Oh, I dropped the dock and took it over on it myself.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Key, perfect. Have you tried starting it?
No.
No? Okay. We'll give it a try. Thank you. Well, would you look at that? I can't even tell with this thing. So, it started on its own. So it has more damage than I thought. This part right here, this is smashed in, which honestly, guys, I'm not worried about it at all. And then this is bent, which I saw. I don't know how these work. Okay, so I guess they just tighten up like this. All of these little pieces, honestly, not worried about. It looks like from the fall, either they changed it to go down like this, or I'm not sure what's going on with this, but let's see. Actually, yeah, probably with the fall went down, because the mirror is also down. But this side is good, and this is effectively the side I need to operate this thing. So, since it's running, there's the mileage, 17,721. Since it's running, going to let it warm up. I'm going to get dressed for the ride, and we are heading out. This is, well, honestly, I feel like I should just break this. I don't need it. Hi guys, I made it to my dad's work, picking up some mail. So the handlebars are crooked, makes it extremely difficult to turn. I don't like it. I have super long arms. Yes, parking here is absolutely terrible and very difficult. I don't know how they get through. Babe, just park over there, I think. Yeah, so handlebars are just super crooked. I don't know if I need a whole new bar, which I'm okay with. Honestly, I have missed riding a bike. It feels so smooth and awesome that I will definitely keep it a little bit longer just so that I could enjoy it a little bit more. So once I get home, I'll start looking at parts. But after this, yeah, that's where we're going, home. Guys, made it, but I don't know if you guys noticed, but something up with the second gear. It's harder to go into second gear on this thing. All other gears are fine, and it was good at first, but now either the fact that it's kind of bent and it's just a hard time clicking in, I'm not sure. I'll have to take a look, but aside from that, man, this thing runs great. Let's take a final look for today's video. It's awesome that it came with plates. Actually, most motorcycles that I buy do come with plates. Looks like it's a belt-driven bike. It runs pretty good, except towards the end I was having a hard time putting it in second gear. It almost sounded like something inside the transmission. I don't know. If that's the case, that would be a big bummer. I am hoping that it's just because of the damage right there, but who knows, you know? It could have been dropped and then something chipped off, and during the process of riding it, it just became worse. But I'll let it cool off and then maybe spend some time kind of pulling it apart, see what I want to replace, what I want to do, what I don't want to do. But this is it, guys. This is the 2007 Vulcan. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.